Um, Today we're going to talk about Mr. Kavanaugh. He's been in the news constantly all week, been on television day and night, and they were supposed to vote on it
Okay, go ahead.
to the panel, but there were other girls, two other ones especially. The third girl was Mrs. Swetnick, Swetnick. Now, the big deal with this case and the problem probably is it's about 33 years old. And the FBI says they're going to go investigate it for a week. I don't know, what can you find out 33 years ago by the FBI 6 or 7 times? But they back Georgetown Prep. And supposedly now with this girl that's come forward now, she's saying that she was raped several times. Parties, Swetnick said that pills, narcotics, whatever they would give them, and then they would each go into a room, and then the boys that were there with Kavanaugh would stand outside the room. What did I say last?
Wow, she went 10 years in a row.
Yeah, she went 10 years in a row. This girl, Swetnick, she has a lawyer now that some gave them liquor and drink and got drunk, and then had thing, a lot of houses on streets. And in fact, I remember on one house that if you walked up to it, you could see on the front window, it said, "This is a private home." Never forgot that in my lifetime, because if I got a listing on that house to sell it, I'd say I got the only private home in this whole area, and all the other homes, I don't want to say it, got money for coming there or whatever, I don't know. Her story hasn't been able to come out yet. They cut her off at the first hearing. They wouldn't let the second and third girl talk. They just talked to the first girl and the judge, and they were arguing and facing each other, and that was supposed to be it. Then they were going to give a decision to vote on him. All of a sudden, last night, after 2 days of television, they stopped all that, said, no, we're going to give the FBI 1 week to go out and investigate these items. Now, what the FBI can find in 1 week from occurrences and things that happened 33 years ago, I don't know. And if I was a guy standing there and I went in a room and there was girls in the room, you think I'm going to give them my name now, tell them who I am or where I live? That was 33 years ago. And what happened with the first 20 years? Nobody said nothing. Nobody said nothing about nothing. None of the girls said anything. These transportation, I know they gave them drugs, but what else did they give them? Because that can get into a few other crimes if there was some money given. The only way, I don't know how we're going to find that out, because I don't think anybody at this whole